Brampton is at the heart of Ontario's manufacturing economy. We produce products that are built in Brampton, made in Brampton, but for the world. And we help fuel Canada's economy, being at the heart of our logistics sector, our manufacturing sector. And we hear loud and clear from our businesses, our industry, our manufacturers, that they're concerned about these tariffs, the uncertainty that it creates, the damage it does to Canadian competitiveness. And we want to make sure that businesses know that we're here to help, to advocate, and to be your voice in this difficult period.
Our sector managers here at Invest Brampton Economic Development Office are ready to meet with you one-on-one to tell you about how these tariffs may impact you, help you navigate these, but also to make sure that we connect you to the right resources at all levels of government.
We can help you explore new markets and global trade opportunities, and we're here to help you access trade support and funding programs. Brampton businesses are resilient, and our economic development team is here to support you.
We're in this together.